Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and today we're talking Springer conversions for Milwaukee 8 Street Bobs and Softail standards. If you're looking to bolt on some old school, cool style to your Milwaukee 8 Softail standard or Street Bob model, I highly recommend you take a look at these Moto Iron brand Springer conversions that we sell here at TC Brothers. For starters, the kit includes a high quality Springer front end. It's constructed with a one-piece forged rear leg, has beautiful TIG welding, heavy duty construction, nicely CNC machined components, and a durable powder coat and chrome finish. When it comes to putting a Springer on modern Softail, there's some other components that are required. For one, you need a Springer style brake caliper. Your stock brake caliper will not fit, and that's all included in this kit. The proper brake caliper, the proper rotor, the proper axle components, riser adapter, brake line, headlight mount, all those components that let you continue to use your OEM front wheel, your OEM handlebar components, digital gauge cluster, headlight, and many other things that most people would like to keep on their bike are included in this, as well as highly detailed instructions that make this install as simple as possible. These kits are in stock, ready to ship, and priced right. If you want to find more information regarding these, you can do so by visiting our website, tcbros.com.